Hi, my name is Emily. Hi, my name is Meha. Hi, my name is E.T. Today we're going to make papers like this. And you can also do the back side. So we have racks for drying the paper, a container of water, a blender, and some tissue paper. We also have scissors, some sponges, a presser, and cost paper. We have a paper making kit, an iron, and some recycled paper we tear. First, we're going to take recycled paper and tear them into little small pieces in the container. Now, we're going to put the ripped paper into the blender cup and pour some water in it. I can help you with that. Now we're going to blend the paper and it's going to get a bit loud. So I'll press high. The paper making kit, and make sure you put it in the white part, not the green part. And now I am going to put it in this white. Now I'm going to carefully pour it in, and then you have to make sure it spreads out nicely. And you can dry your hands on the rag. So now that this is done, we can take it out and let all the excess water drain out. And then we can put it carefully on the rack. Now we're ready to put the water mesh on top of the wet paper. Now we're ready to dissolve the water into the sponge and squirt it out into the container. We'll put the cut paper, which is a thick piece of paper, on the wet paper. And then take a hard material and press it. This will flatten the paper. Now we're ready to carefully pull off the to cut out shapes with this tissue paper. Now we will put the shapes on the wet paper. We're ready to put another couch paper on the wet paper. Put a towel on top and we will be ready to iron. You should let it grow up through the ironing because if you touch the bottom, it's really hot. Safety first. Now we're ready to reveal the paper. Ta-da!